Okay, now in the definition of average velocity, you may write when the velocity of a moving body is changing continuously at a uniform rate. When the velocity of a moving body is changing continuously at a uniform rate, then the average velocity is given by arithmetic mean of initial and final velocities for a given interval of time. So you may write here, suppose that body having initial velocity u and final velocity v, then you may write here v average v plus u or u plus v, divided by 2, where VAV is average velocity, u is initial velocity, and v is final velocity. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am giving the question for the assignment. Right now the question, write the differences between speed and velocity. This is the question for assignment. Differentiate speed and velocity. Okay, let's make the practice of one numerical related to the speed and velocity here. The numerical is, right now question is here, suppose that अब है jogs from one end A to the another end B of a straight 300 meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds. In 2 minutes 30 seconds. Clear? And then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C. It take turn 100 meter. In how much time? In another 1 minute. In another 1 minute. Is it clear? Question is clear? Okay. Then what you have to do? Calculate. What? You have to calculate what is the of average speed and velocity in going from A to B and from A to C. Average speed and average velocity you have to find when going from A to B and A to C. Clear? Okay, first part is here. Just think about the question. I have started its journey from point A and reached point B by traveling the distance of 300 meters in time 2 minutes 30 seconds. Here, to find the average speed and average velocity, we need two things. One is distance, that is given, and another is time, that also we have. Clear? Then what happened when he reached at point B, then turns around, he took around turn and returned back, then reached to point C by traveling a distance of 100 meters in 1 minute. Ultimately, this is the initial position and this is the final position. So it may be, you can denote here, remaining distance is here 200 meters. Okay, first of all, first case we have to solve here. How we will solve? Total distance traveled. This is the first case. For route A to B. Total distance S is equal to how much? 300 meters. Time taken 2 minutes 30 seconds means in seconds 2 minutes. Total it will be 150 seconds. Is it clear? Then what you have to find? Average speed. Therefore, total distance, that is two meters per second. Average speed is here 2 meters per second. Clear? Okay, to find the average velocity need what? Displacement. The displacement is also having same value 300 meters because body is moving in a straight path. We have already studied the magnitude of distance is equal to magnitude of displacement when body moves in a straight path. So what will be the value of displacement? Displacement also having value 300 meters, same time taken 150 seconds. Then what you have to find? Average speed you have to find. Sorry, average speed we have calculated here, average velocity. Displacement upon time, that is also having value what? 2 meters per second. As we observed here, average speed, the magnitude of average speed is equal to the magnitude of average velocity. But when a body covers equal distance, that is equal to displacement in a straight path. Clear? The next part is here. Now what you have to find? Again you have to find the average speed and average velocity, but now route is here A to C. Route is here A to C. This is also, second part is also for the question of assignment. I am giving some hint. First of all, you have to find average speed. Speed means distance. Now distance is here A to C, 300 meter plus 100 meter back, 400 meter. Total distance 300 plus 100, 400 meter. That is the distance. And time 2 minutes 30 seconds means 150 seconds plus more 1 minute. Taking when it comes from B to C, then 210 seconds. Then you have to find the average speed. But when you have to find the average displacement velocity, that time you have need to find the displacement. But displacement, shortest distance between initial and final position. See here, initial position is A and final position is C. So body is here now, our object is here. This distance is 200 meters. Clear? But time will be same. Okay.